Stop wasting time on frozen streams. Here's the official fix for the ESPN Plus billing hold and account suspension error for July 2026. This guide will get you back to the game in minutes. I'm your host from Sleek Guides, and let's dive in. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. These steps apply to your own account and your own device or app only. Always avoid third-party recovery services or unofficial apps. They are security risks and often scams. Only use official ESPN support channels. A billing hold usually means a payment failed or a technical sync issue between Disney and ESPN servers. Step 1. Do not use your TV app. Log in to plus.espn.com using a desktop or mobile browser. Access the desktop portal. This forces a direct connection to the billing servers that the TV app often misses. Step 2. Navigate to your profile and select ESPN Plus subscriptions. Click on Manage Subscription. This is where you will see the exact reason for your billing suspension. Step 3. The Update Payment Loop. Click Update Payment even if your info is correct. Re-entering your information or switching to PayPal often triggers a fresh authorization hold that clears the error. Step 4. Force a synchronization by logging out of all your apps on all devices. This resets your account state across the entire Disney ecosystem. Trust me, it's a necessary step. Crucial tip, wait 30 minutes before logging back in. The entitlement server needs time to refresh your status. If you're billed through Apple, ensure your payment is verified in your iPhone settings and tap Restore Purchase in the ESPN app. For Roku subscribers, update your payment method directly at my.roku.com, not inside the app. If the hold persists, contact official support at 8333-892-054. Ask for a billing dispute agent for faster routing. Update, log out, wait 30 minutes, and you'll be back to streaming your favorite sports in no time. Subscribe to Sleek Guides for more technical troubleshooting and tech updates. I'll see you in the next one.